Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a simple pedicure at home by yourself. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to soak your feet in warm water for about 5 to 10 minutes. So for this, you'll need a big dish or a big bucket that can actually fit both your feet. The next thing you'll need to do is to file off all the dead skin under your feet. For this, I'll be using my double-sided file. This will help to remove all the dead skin, leaving your feet feeling smooth and soft. As you can see, I'm starting from my heel, working up to the top. You can actually repeat this process 3 to 4 times, depending on the state of your feet. Once you feel that your feet are smooth and soft, just take a towel and wipe off all the water from your feet. The next thing that I would do is to go in with my nail cutter. So normally I don't like keeping long nails when it comes to my toes, but it depends on you. If you like long nails, then maybe I'll just suggest that you take a file and shape your nails. At least you can still keep them a bit long. The next thing I'll do is to take my cuticle pusher just to push my cuticles back. This actually helps the nail to grow strong. I'll also take the sharp end of the cuticle pusher just to remove any dirt that would have accumulated on that area. Once that is done, I just take my nail file and shape all my nails. So this part is quite difficult because I don't have a stool. I promise next time I will invest in that, but I hope you guys can see what I'm doing exactly. Next, I will clean all my toenails. I'll be using acetone. If you remember in my previous video, I mentioned that this is one of the ways to make sure that your gel polish lasts longer. Now that our toenails are super clean, we can go in with the base coat. For the base coat, just make sure you apply it evenly over all your toenails, and you can cure it for about 90 to 120 seconds. Next, we go in with the gel polish. So normally I like to apply very thin coats. This is just to make sure that the nail polish cures all the way through and that I don't have a lumpy effect at the end. So for this, you can cure it for about 90 seconds. That should do it. Once done applying the nail polish, the next thing you need to do is apply the top coat. So you need to apply this evenly over all your toenails. Make sure you also apply it on the free edge of your nail. This is just to seal the gel polish that you had applied earlier on. For this, you can cure it for about 120 seconds. Okay guys, so this is how you do your own pedicure at home. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any feedback or any questions, please do comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you very much. Do have a great day. Bye.